Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's start from the very beginning. Variables in Python in only 1 minute. A variable is like a box that stores a value. You create one with a name, an equal sign, and a value. So this is the name of the variable, equal sign, and the value that is assigned to it. Here we are having a variable called name, and it is assigned the Alice string. So it is going to store the text Alice in the variable name. We are having the variable age equals 30, so it is going to store a number. And finally, we are having a variable called isStudent, which is equal to true. So it is going to store a boolean, meaning yes or no. So Python figures out the data type automatically. No need to declare types like in some other languages. To see your variable, just use print function like this. So we are having the print function, name, age, and student. In parentheses, we write down the name of the variable. That's it. You now know how to store data using variables in Python. Thank you.